How do I know if my HVAC diagnosis is accurate? You can trust the diagnosis when the technician explains the symptoms, performs specific tests, shows you the results, and connects those results to the recommended repair. An accurate diagnosis begins with a clear description of what your system is doing, such as weak airflow, unusual noises, or rooms that stay too warm. The technician should inspect the filter, thermostat, electrical parts, ductwork, outdoor unit, and indoor coil instead of guessing from one symptom. They may measure supply and return air temperatures, electrical readings, refrigerant pressure, airflow, and system performance. Ask the technician to explain what each measurement means and what normal readings should look like. A useful detail is that low refrigerant usually means the system has a leak, because refrigerant is not normally used up like fuel. Simply adding more refrigerant may cool the house temporarily while allowing the leak to continue. Before approving work, request the written diagnosis, the test results, the exact failed part, and the repair price. If the explanation is unclear or the repair is expensive, get a second opinion from another qualified technician and compare the evidence, not just the price. One common mistake is accepting "the unit is old" as a diagnosis, so ask which part failed and what test proved it. Another mistake is replacing a thermostat when the real problem is airflow, wiring, or a dirty coil, so have the complete system checked before buying parts. Be careful when someone recommends refrigerant without looking for a leak, because the same problem may return and damage the compressor. Also, never ignore safety concerns involving burning smells, exposed wiring, gas equipment, or carbon monoxide. Turn the system off and contact a qualified professional immediately. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.